So now after that we've done the whole painting of the bow, let's add some embroidery designs. And first I'm going to go over it with pencil. Just zoom in to show you. And it has got a little out of focus over here. And after drawing a few light lines, I'm going to add the design. Now I'm going to make a light blue using white plus blue. Anyways, colors added with white are a good option for the overcoat, as in after doing the base color. And what I'm painting is with lines, small dashes sort of lines, to show the embroidery style of painting. So it looks like stitches with thread. And also the design I've not taken completely, I've edited it. I've also made it larger so it's easier to paint, because I do want to give the gist of the embroidery but not go into the detail of it. Now so I'm removing white on the side in the palette so that I can have a tip of my brush to paint. If I take it direct from the bottle, the tip doesn't stay. So in here I haven't drawn the petals for the white flower, though you can go ahead and draw the petal outer lines here. Now that my white flowers are done, I'm going to do the yellow flowers, and I'm going to use deep yellow or the gamboge chrome yellow types for the yellow center of the flower. And then I'm going to do it with dots, and I'm adding some more leaves at the side. Here I'm going to use the dark brown for making the dashes, and the side ones I think I'm going to do it with green. You can choose a different color if you wish to. Now that we finished with the bow, let's go to the main word, that is make. Now I thought a lot about how to go about this word this month, but so I came up with these crosses to make it look like stitches basically. So I wanted to do some line work, so I've covered it up with brown, dark brown, so it matches and goes with the tone of the bow, and then doing dashes with the blue to make it again look like the running stitch. Happy painting!